This community specifically focusing for the mastermind calls. For your go high level success, you want to become the SaaSpreneur, 100 client, 1000 client. Let us use the Napoleon Hill's think and grow rich principle of mastermind. Now, just to quicken up, I'm going to show you the importance of it. And abdullahzahid.com/snapshots, over there, if you go and if you scroll down, this is the link. It's free to join. You don't have to do anything. Just click here and join this group. As you can see, the next mastermind call soon we are going to conduct, but let me just quickly show you the reason behind it. Let us hear from the Napoleon Hill himself, the importance of my mastermind. If you do not know about Napoleon Hill, try to search. He is responsible for making millions of millionaires. That's why Think and Grow Rich is so famous in the world. Let us hear Napoleon Hill himself.
The definition of the mastermind is this: it consists of two or more people who work in perfect harmony for the attainment of a definite purpose. Now, here are some interesting facts about the mastermind which give you an idea of how important it is and how necessary that you embrace this principle and make use of it in attaining success in your chosen occupation. It is the principle through which you may borrow and use the education, the experience, the influence, and perhaps the capital of other people in carrying out your own plans in life. It is the principle through which you can accomplish in 1 year more than you could accomplish without it in a lifetime if you depended entirely upon your own efforts for success.
What you can achieve in 1 year is more than what you can achieve in the lifetime. Let us hear Mr. Beast now.
You mess up, you learn from your mistake, you mess up, you learn from your mistake. You in 2 years, might have learned from 20 mistakes, or if you have 4 other people who are also messing up, and when they learn from the mistake, they teach them what they learned. So hypothetically, you 2 years down the road have learned 5 times more of the amount of stuff.
Let us again last hear from one of the CEO of the company.
We recognize that following Napoleon Hill's model, which is when like-minded people come together that are operating at a certain level, that good things happen. They share business practices. They can do business together. And so from the beginning, that's the way we designed it. When you put a group of exclusive people that are operating at a high level together, then it's not 1 + 1 = 2. It's 1 + 1 = 10. And that's what we've seen is the level of business that is done. And so what we've seen is longevity. First of all, we see relationships at a deep level. These people are going through business life together, and then they're also going through life together. We see several of our members that are doing partnerships. They're hiring each other. They're hiring the management companies that are in the group to manage their facilities, and then they're growing together and creating partnerships within that. We're seeing private equity folks come into the room because they recognize that our mastermind is different and unique, and that the people in it are very unique.
So guys, if you do not know about me, if you browse through my YouTube channel, I've done multiples of strategic interviews. For example, this one is with the Sean Clark, the CEO and the co-founder, Varun Varavan, another co-founder, long interview, right? Strategy with the face of Gohighlevel, Chase Buckner. And as you can see, early 2020, one of the posts. So I was pretty much, in the early stages doing this. Won just Silver Affiliate Award. abdullahzahid.com/snapshots. Scroll down and this is the link. If you just click, and you will be able to find that join community the moment you do that. And let us wait. I'm trying to make it more sophisticated. It will be equal say everybody joins, and on a weekly basis we are going to do probably right now initially every 10 days, but being associated, learning from everybody else's brain on a similar level, what all they tried, literally it is going to space up our success. Otherwise, if we wouldn't have joined, if we try to do it on our own, it will take far more time. So I'm really looking forward for you guys to join. I wish you all the best. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.